Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make this beautiful Christmas ornament. The materials that you need will be, I'm using 8O silver beads, and they're Mayuki. I'm using 11 O's sea beads in white. I'm using bicone 4mm and a 6mm bicone. You're going to need 16 of the 6, and you're going to need 65 of the 4mm. I'm also using a size 11 needle. I'm using 2.5 meters of wildfire, and it's the 10-pound one. And let's get started. To start off, we're going to pick up I'm going to call these the accent colors, or the silver beads. And I'm going to actually call these the silver beads, and I'm going to call these the seed beads, and so on. So we're going to pick up a silver bead and 10 seed beads. Okay, so this is what I have. 10 seed beads and 1 silver bead. You're going to leave about a 4 to 6 inch tail, and you're gonna put it through, sorry, I forgot to put it through the silver bead, like form into a circle and put it through there. And then you're going to tie a knot so you can secure it in place. It's kind of frustrating working with all this thread, but don't make it too tight, because you have to pass the needle through there. Okay, so this is what you have, a little circle with a little silver seed bead at the top. Now we're going to pick up a 4mm crystal and 7 seed beads. Bring it all the way down to the bottom, and this is what you have, the crystal and the 7. So next to the crystal, you're going to leave 3 seed beads. Right? It leaves 3 seed beads, and on the 4th seed bead, you're going to work your way down. Okay, I gotta get it closer to me because I can't see it. There. And you're going to form a little circle of 3 seed beads. Now, to go back up, this is your top, this is your bottom, where these little 3 seed beads are. So to work your way at the top, you're going to need 3 seed beads. You're going to need a green crystal, 4mm crystal. You're going to need a silver bead. And you're going to need 2 beads, because you're going to leave 2 beads next to the silver bead untouched. So you're going to need 2 more beads, seed beads. So you're going to count this way. You got your silver bead and your 2 beads on the right hand side. and you're going to go into the third and fourth bead, and you're going to pull it up. So this way you can attach the bottom to the top. And this is the way it looks. Now you're at the top. At the top, we always add 6. No matter what, it's always 6. So at the top, we're going to pick up 6 seed beads. And then at the top, whenever you come down from the top, you always put it through the silver bead and the green bead. Through your bite cone, and that's where you attach the top to the bottom. And it forms something like this. And you got something like this. Now, every second one, you're going to change the number. So on this one here, we have a circle of 3, and we only picked up 7. Now, on this one, we're going to pick up 9 seed beads and make a circle of 5. Bring it all the way down to the bottom. And always, the beads at the bottom, you always leave 3 and you work your thread into the 4th bead. And you formed a circle of 5. Here's your 3, and here's your 5. That's the one we just did. So now we're going to pick up 3 seed beads, a green crystal, 4mm green crystal, a silver bead, and 2 seed beads. And here they are. So you have your 3 seed beads, you have your crystal, you have your silver, and you have your 2 from up here. And you put your needle back through the 3rd, the 3rd and 4th bead there. And we touch the bottom to the top. Now we're working down, so we pick up another 6 seed beads. And we're going to attach this through the silver and the green crystal. And we attach the top to the bottom that way. Now, since I worked 5 over here, and I picked up 9 beads, now I'm going to work the 7 and make the 3 beads. So I have 7 seed beads. I leave 3 next to the crystal, and on that 4th one, I work my thread in. Now I'm going to have 3 seed beads on my way up. a 4mm bicone, a silver bead, 2 more seed beads. And I'm going to work them up into the 3rd and 4th bead at the top. And I have attached that bottom to the top. And I made 3 of them. So you have 3, not 5, and 3. Now we'll be doing the 5. We pick up 6 seed beads, work your thread into the silver and the green bead, attach the top to the bottom. Now we're going to pick up 9 beads, we leave 3 next to the crystal, and on that 4th one we work our way up. Now we pick up 3 seed beads, a crystal 4mm, a silver, 2 more seed beads, and we work through the 3rd and 4th bead from the top. And that's all. You keep doing all the way through until you have a total of 16 of the green bicones. I'm gonna go work this offline, and when I'm finished doing that, I'll be back to show you how to close it.